Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Virgo, good news. It's win after win after win after win this week, okay? But ang kailangan ko lang na iparealize sa inyo is if you're sharing these wins with the right people. Kasi parang syempre sa career, okay ka, pero hindi mo naman pala nasa-share with your family. I don't mean that you have to make libre sa mga friends or family members mo. It's just na parang, I think even the time that you have right now, it's also a win. And it would be nice to, bond siguro with your family or your friends. Yun muna. But congrats, Virgo. You have a very good week this week. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.